Hi everyone, this is our very first video to let you know about how test corrections are done. This is the same for Miss Fu and myself, Mrs. Pian. So please don't hesitate to watch this again if you are ever stuck about how to do your test corrections. This will be pinned on my channel whenever you need to see it. So feel free to watch it over and over again just to make sure that you get as many points back as possible. First, you need to make sure that you have the right form. This form must have the words corrections on it. You will be attaching your original test to this correction form as you turn them in. The points earned space should be saved for your teacher. Please do not fill that out. I will be filling it out. Miss Fu will be filling it out. And also the new score will be filled out by us. Here are the step-by-step directions for test corrections. Number one, list all of the problems you missed on the test. So you only have to redo, the problems that you missed on the test. You don't have to redo the whole test. Let me repeat that again. You do not have to redo the entire test unless you missed the entire test. So please make sure that you are only working on the problems that you missed. So we want you to complete this sentence. I will watch the videos for problem number, and then we want you to list the problems that you missed. So problem number 1A may have been something you missed. Problem number 2 may have been something you missed. Problem number 4B may have been something you missed. 5B may have been something you missed, and so forth. We want you to number or state every one of the problems that you missed. So all you have to do is watch only the videos that you need to watch. And the video's purpose is that you learn how to do them correctly. We are so worried that you guys go home thinking that you're doing something correctly, but it was never practiced the correct way. So we wanted to give you this video for you to continuously practice in the right way rather than in the wrong way. How frustrating would it be if you spent hours of time throughout the year working on something in a way that you thought was correct, but it was absolutely incorrect from beginning to end? So we don't want that to happen over and over again. So we are offering these video tutorials in order for you to make sure that you are getting the right kind of understanding and instruction that you need. The last thing that we want you to do is to state one thing that you learned from the video. This will complete your task to get all of your points back. Sorry, half of your points back. I know half doesn't seem like a lot to you, but it will add up. So please don't hesitate to try to hit every one of your mistakes before you turn in your test corrections. The test corrections, once you do, let's say number 1A, once you finish correcting it, if you got perimeter right, you don't have to redo the perimeter. If you got area wrong, then that's the only work that we would require for you to do. So once you have that done and you have your answer boxed, let's say this is your answer and you have it boxed, we'd like you to finish that task by answering this statement. One thing I learned from the video is, and we want you to think back or watch the video again to see what did I miss before that I missed this time, or I didn't miss this time, or I learned this time. That is the goal for us, for you to have that statement. The reason is when you understand how to do something or correct the mistake, if you tell yourself one thing you learned out loud explicitly, like in a sentence form like this, it will be harder for you to forget the mistake that you made. We want you to remember all of the mistakes you made because those are very precious times that you are putting into your work, and mistakes are great for you to learn better. So we want you to figure out, what mistake have I made and what have I learned from this? So that way you can remember how to do this better the next time you see it. I hope this video helped in setting it up. I will be going through each of the problems one by one for video, so that way you can watch step by step on how to correctly solve the problems that you may have missed. Thank you for watching, and let us know, let Miss Fu and myself know whether if you have any questions or not, and we'd be happy to help. Thank you.